Hey guys, Joe here, back with another video, and today I'm gonna do an event coverage here in Altitude Digital. They are featuring the BETAFPV Cetus Pro. So let's check it out.
Okay, alright.
So right here is the BETAFPV Cetus Pro. So this drone is made for the beginners who want to get into flying a drone. Now this is an FPV drone, so your maneuvering is actually purely manual, and this is a good drone to start if you want to experience FPV for the first time. So what you will get in the package is this brushless motor drone. So as you can see, it's really small, portable, and it already has propeller guards. So if you accidentally crash this drone, it's strong enough, it's flexible. The guards will protect it at all costs, so you won't have a problem if ever you would crash this drone for the first time. And with this drone, you have this remote over here. Very nice. What's nice about this remote is you can connect this remote to a laptop to have a practice simulation flight. So of course, as a beginner, you need to get used to the maneuvering of the controls because it's quite different when you're flying an FPV drone. It may take some time, practice, and precision for you to get the shots that you want. And what's nice about the BETAFPV Cetus Pro is that it already comes with these goggles over here. So this is quite useful when you want to have a visual sight on how the drone is flying. So with the price of this BETAFPV Cetus Pro, you will get it around $13,990, which is not bad for anyone who would like to start in FPV droning. So my first impressions about trying out this BETAFPV Cetus Pro is that, well, it's quite different from how I fly a DJI drone because it's an FPV drone, like I mentioned. So if ever you would start using the BETAFPV, imagine like you're flying a drone in manual mode versus an automatic transmission. I would definitely try to practice more. I'm kind of curious in FPV flying because it gives a much more action feel. If ever you guys would be watching action shows like Red Notice, The Gray Man, they also have some FPV shots in those movies. And it gives a much more, a dynamic feel, and it makes your shots much unique. So if you guys would like to get the BETAFPV Cetus Pro, you can check out Altitude Digital here in Mandaluyong City, or you can use my discount code if ever you will purchase through their website. Alrighty, that ends my event coverage for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to be updated in my next videos. This is Joe Serrano, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys!